And all the vast complexity that is our God, the creator of the universe and creator of just about everything, sometimes we probably should do a little more thinking about the simplicity that's also there. God Abba, God Father, God Daddy. So, this is a song about a dream. And I'm not going to give away the title because you'll all laugh if I do. I was feeling kinda down like nobody really cared. So I crawled under the covers where I could say my prayers. I said, God, if you love me, why don't you show me a sign? I fell asleep soon after and this dream came to my mind. I found myself in the great beyond, in the great big house, and the house was God's. He took me by the hand and led me to his kitchen. God with a kitchen? Taped up to this giant fridge were pictures of me as a kid, and every drawing that I ever did was with them. There's no higher high, no feeling greater than seeing yourself on God's refrigerator. Ha! I had no idea that God saw me as his child, or that he was thinking of me so dearly all the while. But there I was upon that door for all the world to see. I was precious to him and he thought the world of me. I found myself in the great beyond and the great big house, and the house was God's. He took me by the hand and led me to his kitchen. Taped up to this giant fridge were pictures of me as a kid, and every drawing that I ever did was with them. There's no greater high, no feeling greater than seeing yourself on God's refrigerator. Oh, and just in case you ever feel forgotten and blue, I saw pictures of all you up there too.